Want more videos like this? Just subscribe to our channel. The use of onions has shown potential for relieving cold symptoms. Onions have been used for generations by the Native Americans and Chinese to relieve colds, pneumonia, coughs, bronchitis and laryngitis. Onions contain antibacterial properties, help in reducing inflammation, and opening airways to alleviate congestion in the lungs. Homemade onion remedy for colds and stuffy nose. Materials required: red onions, honey, bowl, refrigerator. Procedure: Step 1. Peel and cut onions. Choose red onions, peel and then cut into thin slices. All onions contain medicinal properties and are effective in treating colds, but red onions have the highest level of quercetin, which is a flavonoid high in antioxidants that fight free radicals and inhibit histamine production. Step 2. Put the onions in a bowl and pour honey. Use just enough honey to coat the onion slices. Doing this will help lessen the severity of the taste or heat of the onions. This will bring out more of the power of honey as a natural cough suppressant. Step 3. Store the onion slices in the refrigerator. Put the onion slices in the refrigerator and leave overnight. Consume them in the morning. Any leftover honey that has been covered and infused with onion properties may also be consumed. Step 4. Add onions to dishes. You can also add onions into your meals. Raw onions may be added to sandwiches, soups and many other recipes. Onions may be added to almost any sweet or savory dishes. The goal is to eat as many raw onions as possible for the treatment of your condition without compromising your diet. Notes: Onions are best consumed raw when you are fighting a stuffy nose and colds. But cooked onions do not lose much of their nutrients and may also be eaten for its health benefits. Warnings: Onions absorb bacteria when they are exposed to air and should be kept in a refrigerator. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button, and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.